Summer can be brutal for a garden. The sun gets harsh, soil dries quickly, and many plants simply stop flowering. But the truth is, there are plenty of flowers that absolutely love this heat. If you choose the right ones, your garden can stay colorful, vibrant, and full of life even in peak summer. In this video, we're exploring some of the best summer flowering plants that thrive in hot weather and can easily brighten up your balcony or garden. Lilies are one of the most elegant summer bloomers you can grow. These flowers are surprisingly tough and can tolerate intense heat quite well. What makes them interesting is their natural survival strategy during extreme heat. The leaves may dry slightly to reduce moisture loss, while the bulb underground stays alive and healthy. Once conditions stabilize, the plant continues growing and blooming beautifully. Blanket flower, also known as Gaillardia, is perfect for gardeners who deal with hot and dry conditions. This plant thrives even in poor soil and drought-like environments, making it a reliable summer bloomer. Its daisy-like flowers appear in warm shades of red, gold, and brown, creating a bright and cheerful display in any garden. Gloriosa Daisy, commonly called Black-Eyed Susan, is another summer-loving plant that thrives in hot climates. The flowers feature bright yellow to orange petals with a deep brown center, giving them a striking contrast. These plants can grow quite tall, often reaching around 3 feet, and they bring a wildflower charm to any landscape. Musk Rose is a classic flowering plant that you'll often see blooming during the hotter months. Its blooms gradually change color as they mature, creating a dramatic visual effect in the garden. Along with its beautiful appearance, this plant is also known for its pleasant fragrance that spreads gently around the garden. Marigolds are among the easiest and most popular flowers to grow during summer. They produce vibrant blooms in shades ranging from soft yellow to deep golden orange. Apart from adding color, marigolds are also known to repel certain pests naturally, which makes them a practical addition to vegetable gardens as well. Veronica adds vertical beauty to a summer garden with its tall flower spikes. The blooms usually appear in red or blue tones and rise above the foliage, creating a structured look in flower beds. While they enjoy sunlight, they also appreciate a little afternoon shade in hotter climates. Roses remain one of the most loved flowers across the world, and many varieties bloom beautifully during summer. With proper watering and occasional pruning, rose plants can keep producing flowers throughout the warm season. Their timeless beauty and fragrance make them a favorite for both gardens and balconies. Bougainvillea is a tough ornamental vine that thrives in hot and sunny climates. It grows rapidly and can easily cover fences, walls, and pergolas with bright clusters of pink, purple, orange, or white bracts. This plant loves heat and drought, which makes it perfect for summer landscapes. Dahlias bring bold colors and dramatic shapes to the garden. These flowers come in many different sizes and shades, from small pom-pom blooms to large dinner plate varieties. With the right nutrients and sunlight, dahlias can become the highlight of a summer flower bed. Sunflowers are iconic summer plants that handle heat with ease. Their tall stems and bright yellow blooms instantly bring energy to a garden. One important tip is to avoid overwatering them, because soggy soil can weaken the roots and cause the plants to lean. Coreopsis is a low-maintenance plant that blooms happily in warm climates. Its cheerful yellow flowers appear in abundance and continue blooming for long periods. This plant is ideal for gardeners who want vibrant flowers without spending too much time on maintenance. Yarrow is another hardy flowering plant that thrives during summer. It adapts well to different climates and requires very little care once established. Its clusters of small flowers attract pollinators like butterflies and bees, which helps create a lively garden environment. Chrysanthemums are often associated with autumn, but many varieties can start blooming during late summer. They come in a wide range of colors, including red, orange, purple, white, and yellow. These flowers add rich color to gardens as the seasons transition. Beard tongue, often associated with snapdragon-like blooms, produces tubular flowers that grow in clusters. These plants spread well and create dense patches of blooms, making them ideal for flower beds and borders when given enough spacing. Pineapple lily is a unique plant that instantly stands out in a garden. The flower spikes resemble a tiny pineapple at the top, which gives the plant its name. It grows well in warm climates and is also suitable for containers, usually reaching around 1 foot in height. Daffodils are typically known for spring blooms, but they can still be included in gardens transitioning into warmer seasons. Their trumpet-shaped flowers appear in shades of yellow, orange, and white, bringing brightness and fragrance to outdoor spaces. Zinnias are among the best flowers for hot summer conditions. They grow quickly, bloom generously, and come in a wide range of colors, including red, orange, pink, white, and purple. Their daisy-like flowers are especially attractive in lawns and flower beds. Lotus is a beautiful aquatic plant that thrives during summer. As the national flower of India, it carries cultural and spiritual significance. Its large pink or white blooms float gracefully above the water, instantly adding elegance to ponds and water gardens. Globe Amaranth produces small clover-like flowers in shades of pink, purple, red, and white. This plant tolerates heat very well and requires moderate watering. It's also known for its long-lasting blooms, which can even be dried for decorative use. Oxalis is a compact flowering plant that works well both indoors and outdoors. It grows to a small height and produces delicate flowers in different colors. Although its blooming period is relatively short, the plant's attractive foliage keeps it visually appealing. Perennial Hibiscus, also called rose mallow or swamp hibiscus, produces some of the largest flowers you'll see in a garden. The blooms appear in shades of red, pink, and white, and the plants can grow quite tall, sometimes reaching several feet in height. Petunias are extremely popular among gardeners because they grow fast and bloom continuously. Their colorful flowers appear in shades of pink, purple, red, white, and yellow, making them perfect for hanging baskets, containers, and borders. Sea holly adds an unusual texture to the garden with its steel blue flowers surrounded by spiky silver bracts. Its striking appearance makes it a unique choice for summer flower beds. Coral bells, also known as alumroot, are widely appreciated for their beautiful foliage. The plant produces tiny, delicate flowers that rise above the leaves on tall stems, usually blooming from late spring into early summer. Peonies are famous for their lush, fragrant blooms that symbolize love and prosperity. Once established, these plants can live for decades with minimal maintenance, making them a long-term addition to a flower garden. Plumeria thrives in tropical and subtropical climates and produces clusters of fragrant flowers in shades of white, pink, yellow, and red. These blooms are often used in decorative garlands and symbolize grace, beauty, and new beginnings. Pansies may look delicate, but they can add vibrant color to gardens during warmer months when grown properly. Their cheerful flowers usually display a combination of yellow, purple, and white, making them very eye-catching. Daylilies are extremely adaptable plants that grow well in different soil conditions. Each flower lasts only a day, but the plant continuously produces new buds, ensuring a steady display of blooms throughout summer. Purple coneflower is a hardy perennial that thrives in sunny conditions. Its pink or purple daisy-like blooms attract butterflies and pollinators, making it a wonderful addition to wildlife-friendly gardens. Lavender is one of the best plants for hot climates because it actually prefers dry, sunny conditions. Its fragrant purple flower spikes not only look beautiful but also fill the surrounding air with a calming scent. Summer doesn't have to mean a dull or lifeless garden. With the right selection of plants, you can enjoy bright colors, pleasant fragrances, and continuous blooms throughout the hottest months. Try adding a few of these summer flowering plants to your garden or balcony, and you'll notice how easily they transform the space into a vibrant and refreshing environment. If you enjoy discovering new plants and simple gardening ideas, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more helpful gardening videos.